Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a weighted hula hoop then used on your waist to help you guys lose belly fat. So this is what the product looks right here. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So inside right here they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and also how to set up as well. And then right underneath that we have all the different parts. So I'm just put everything together to show you guys how to put it together. So I'm just gonna connect this part right here together. So just like this. And you guys wanna do the same thing for other parts as well. Right, so once you guys fully set this up, this is what the product looks right here. So what you're gonna do now is set up the weighted ball right here. And the way how you guys do that is by opening it up and take this part out. And you guys wanna slide this part inside right here. And then once you guys do that, you guys wanna lock the other side right here onto the weighted ball. But before you do that, we wanna lock this in here first. Alright, so once we lock it in, you guys want to lock this part onto the ball, which is right here. So just like this. And then once you guys have it all set up, you guys can put this around your waist and start using it. This part right here, when you guys are using it as a hula hoop, it will glide around the part right here like this, like a little train. If you guys look carefully inside right here, there's a bunch of these little buttons. And I'm assuming those are supposed to help you guys lose fat when you guys are actually using it, pushing against your stomach. So that is basically everything that's on right here in terms of how to set it up and what it actually looks like. Let me actually go put this on and test it out to show you guys how it works and what actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. And fair warning, I'm not good at hula hooping, but I'm still gonna try it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically want to use like a regular hula hoop and just go like this. You basically want to keep going if you guys can. If you guys keep doing that for like 30 minutes every single day, it should help you guys lose a lot of fat. And one thing to remember is that when you guys use the powder right here, you guys want to make sure you guys have enough space before you guys start using it, because you guys don't want to damage anything using the weighted ball that's on here. So definitely see the product on here definitely does work. You just need some practice when you guys use it. But if you guys already know how to hula hoop, then you guys are fine. Alright, welcome back guys. So next little quick test of the product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So in terms of the question of whether or not it actually works in terms of helping you guys losing belly fat, I can't tell you guys an answer as of right now, but I feel like over time when you guys use it more and more, especially if you guys are consistent and do it every single day for around like 30 minutes, you can probably start seeing results on here. But definitely when you actually use the product on here, if you're really interesting, because I'm not good at hula hoop, just like how you guys saw in the video. So even for myself, I'm gonna need a lot of practice using this product right here if I want to use it correctly. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys love using hula hoop, and if you guys want to lose like belly fat or any fat in general on your body, definitely using one of these is actually really helpful. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.